Hi, Mr. Cho here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a daily activities Excel sheet. I'll also show you how to create a pie chart and a bar chart. So first off, let's open the Excel sheet. Alright, so I've already created this part for you. So you just need to fill in the time that you take for each of these activities. Now remember, a total, the day only has 24 hours. So first I'll change my name. Okay, and let's just say that this is what I do. Okay, instead of studying, I'm at work. Just 1 hour of exercise, 1 hour TV. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to add a formula to find out what the others are from the total. So what I need to do is to add a formula by pressing equals. This is the total, so I'll select the total. Now this is a subtraction, so I'm going to add a minus sign, and then I'm going to need to sum up all these numbers here. So I'll add sum, click on sum, and select this row of numbers, any of with a bracket, enter. Alright, so now we have the formula for the first one. All I need to do is to drag it down for the second one. Now I'm going to show you how to insert a bar chart. So I simply need to select it all. Don't select this part, which is the total. Then I'm going to click here. Under 2D columns, I'll add a 2D column. Okay. So we have to change the chart title. So we will change it to Daily Activities. Now, if you notice in your book, your legend is supposed to be on the right side. So how do we change that? Simply go to here, click this one, then select on the right. There will also be something that you have to add here, and that is your axis title. So click on add chart elements, axis title. I think this will be the primary horizontal, and then what you need to type is, hold on, type of activity. Okay, so now we need to move our charts. So in this teacher's example, I have move it to B7 and J24. So all you need to do is to click on it, move it to B7, and drag this to J24. Okay, that's really easy. Now, the next thing that we have to do is to insert a pie chart. For the pie chart, I'm only going to select Daisy. So I'll select just Daisy. Under Insert, Pie Chart, 2D Pie, this one. There we go. So now, for the pie chart, we need to move it to another sheet. So this is the second sheet. How do we do so? Simply right click, move chart, and object, you have to change it to sheet 2. There, now it's in sheet 2. Okay, so just place it somewhere. Okay, if you notice my teacher's edition, you have to put the legend on the right. So how do we do that? Just click on the legend, click on this, to the right, and we are done. So save our file, and that is all. Thank you for watching.